Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create this type of pipe in SolidWorks so that it will move along with this trolley, and after that we will make its animation like this, and then we will save it in our hard drive as a AVI file. So keep watching this video till end, and if you are interested to download all these parts in your hard drive for your practice, our download link is written in the description of this video.
Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
So start from new part, click on this new button here and then double click on the part button. Then sketch on front plane. At this time I am going to design the track for our assembly. Now draw two rectangles on this front plane. Press escape button and then press and hold control key and select all these four lines. Make their relation equal. Then select both of these lines and make their relation equal and collinear. Now draw a center line and start it from this point up to this point. Press escape button, then select origin and this midpoint. Make their relation coincident. Now define this distance is 25 millimeter and this distance is 45 millimeter. Again use smart dimensions and define the distance from this midpoint up to this midpoint, 140 millimeter. So our sketch is now fully defined. Go to features tab and apply extruded boss base command. Extrusion length is 20 millimeter and press OK button. Now sketch on this face and make normal to. Then draw two center lines. Start them from this midpoint up to this midpoint. Same center line from this midpoint up to this midpoint. Now draw two circles on these midpoints. Press escape button and then select both of these circles and make their relation equal. Now define the diameter 15 millimeter and then extrude them up to 400 millimeter. Now sketch on this face and then expand the boss extrude 1 and then select this sketch. Press convert entities button and then extrude it up to 20 millimeter in reverse direction. Press OK button. Now sketch on this face and then draw a rectangle. Start it from this corner. Then define the distance from this line up to this line and it is 150 millimeter. Then select this point and this line. Make their relation coincident. Now extrude it up to 10 millimeter in this direction, and press OK button. After that sketch on this face and then draw a circle on this corner. Define its diameter 15 millimeter and then go to features tab and apply extruded cut command. Cut it from throughout this part and then press OK button. So save this part. Again start from new part, and at this time I'm going to design trolley. So sketch on front plane and then draw a rectangle. Define this length 100 millimeter and define this length 160 millimeter. Go to features tab and apply extruded boss base command. Extrusion thickness is 10 millimeter. Press OK button. Then sketch on this face and make normal to. Draw two circles and then select both of these circles and make their relation equal. Define the diameter 15 millimeter and then draw a center line started from this center point up to this center point. Now select this midpoint and this midpoint. Make their relation horizontal. Now define the distance 10 millimeter and then draw a rectangle. Similarly, one rectangle here. Now select this point and this line, make their relation coincident. Now select this point and this midpoint, make their relation vertical. Now define this length 140 millimeter. Select this center point and this midpoint, make their relation horizontal. Now also select this point and this point, make their relation vertical. After that define this height 20 millimeter. Press escape button and our sketch is now fully defined. So use sketch fillet command from here and fillet all these corners. Fillet radius is 8 millimeter. And press OK button. Again press OK button and then go to features tab and apply extruded boss base command. In this direction the length is 10 millimeter and press OK button. Similarly sketch on this face again and at this time expand this boss extrude to. Select this sketch and press convert entities button. Then go to features tab and apply extruded boss base command in this direction. Same length 10 millimeter and press OK button. Now sketch on this face and then make normal to. Draw a circle here. Then define its diameter 15 millimeter. Select this midpoint and this center point. Make their relation vertical. Now define the distance 10 millimeter and press escape button. Now draw a rectangle. Press escape button and then select this midpoint and this center point. Make their relation vertical. Define this height 20 millimeter and then define this width which is also 20 millimeter. Now use sketch fillet commands. Fillet radius is 8 millimeter and select both of these corners. Press OK button, again OK. Now extrude it up to 10 millimeter in this direction and press OK button. So trolley is also ready. Save it. Now let's assemble these parts together. So for that start from new and then double click on the assembly button. First of all import the track in the assembly and then import the trolley. Now change the color of trolley. Now assemble them. So for that, select this cylindrical face and mate. Select this cylindrical face and flip mate direction and press OK button. Again select this cylindrical face and this cylindrical face and press OK button. Press OK button again. So we have to log the movement of this trolley between this point and this point. For that, drag the trolley at this point and then measure the distance from this face up to this face, and after that we will apply the lock mate for the trolley. So click on smart dimensions and then from here select reference dimension. Now select this face and this face. It is 277 millimeter. So press OK, escape button and then go to assembly tab and from here select mate. Scroll down and then select advanced mates, and in advanced mates select distance mate. Maximum distance 277 millimeter and minimum distance is 1 millimeter. Then select this face and this face. And press OK button. Again press OK button. Now you can move the trolley. So its movement has been locked between both of these points. Next we have to create pipe from this circle up to this circle. So drag the trolley to this point and then go to assembly tab and click on this arrow below the insert component button, and from here select new part. Then click on this face and select this circle. Then press convert entities button. Press this button to save and exit from sketch. Now click on this arrow below the sketch and then select 3D sketch. Draw a subline and start it from this point and the subline on this midpoint or center point. Press escape button and then rearrange the subline. So all done. Now press this button to save and exit from sketch, and then we have to apply swept boss base command. So go to features tab and then select swept boss base command. Select this circle as our profile and select this subline as our path. Now press OK button and then press this button to exit from editing mode. Drag the trolley and press rebuild button. Again drag the trolley and press rebuild button. So everything is okay. Now next step is that we have to create its motion study. So for that click on motion study here and from here select animation and then select motor. Select linear motor from here and then select this face of the trolley. scroll down and expand these options for motion, and from here select distance. Type here 277 millimeter distance and duration 10 seconds. Again scroll down and press OK button. From here select 0.25 times speed and drag this key up to 10 seconds. Now press this button calculate. So animation is okay. Now we have to save this animation as AVI file in our hard drive. So click on this button and then name it. From here select aspect ratio 16:9 and press OK button. Again press OK button and then it will recalculate the whole animation. So now we had saved our animation as AVI file in our hard drive. So go to that folder and then play it. So this is how we can make this type of pipe, moving pipe, in SolidWorks assemblies. I hope you had learned and enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.